What's up, YouTube? This is Dante of Dante's Card Dungeon here today to present the opening of the Cyber Strike Structure deck. Now, if you remember the GX series, you had the Cyber Dragons and Cyber Dark Dragons, and now we got a structure deck with both combined in one. So, now we're going to open this bad boy up. I'm very curious to see what's inside. Let's check it out. So first thing I want to check out is the mat, because those are always pretty cool. That is awesome. Definitely. Let's check out the back. So, got a little bit of strategies. Got your deck list. Structure deck Cyber Strike is ready to duel right out of the box. You're all set to start playing, but first look over this handy dueling guide. It points out some of the key combos you can use while you master the strategies of your new decks. Simple. So, as always, because it's the GX era, there was always fusions. And then they always, with the strategies and stuff, they even tell you stuff you can get maybe to add to the deck. Like you got stuff from Phantom Rage, Blazing Vortex, Lightning Overdrive, and Dawn of Majesty. That's pretty cool. All right, let's get to the cards. All right, the first card is Cyber Dark Chimera. You can discard a spell or a trap, add Power Bond from your deck to your hand. You can only use Dragon or Machine Cyber monsters as fusion material this turn. Also, once you fusion summon this turn, you can also banish monsters from your graveyard as material. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you can add one Cyber Dark monster from your deck to the graveyard with a different name from the cards in your graveyard. You can only use the effect of Cyber Dark Chimera once per turn. Cyber Dark Realm. When this card is activated, you can add one Cyber Dark monster from your deck to your hand with different names from the cards in your graveyard. During your main phase, you can immediately, after this effect resolves, normal summon one Cyber Dark monster. You can only use the previous effect of Cyber Dark Realm once per turn. If you equip a monster from the graveyard by the effect of Cyber Dark monster, when it was normal or special summon, you can equip from your opponent's graveyard instead. You can only activate one Cyber Dark Realm per turn. Interesting. Cyber End Dragon. Always a classic. Cyber Dark End Dragon. 12 stars, Machine, Dark, Fusion type. Attack 5,000, defense 3,800. That's pretty wicked. Must be either fusion summon or special summon by tripling one level 10 or lower Cyber Dark fusion monster equipped with Cyber End Dragon. Unaffected by your opponent's activated effects. Once per turn, you can equip one monster from either graveyard to this card. This card can attack a number of times each battle phase up to the number of equipped cards equipped to it. Wow. Cybernetic Horizon, Cyber Dragon Hers, Fusion Deployment, Infinite Impermanence, Attachment Cyburn, Cyber Dragon, Cyber Dragon Zwei, Cyber Dragon Dry, Cyber Dragon Fear, Cyber Dragon Noxter, Cyber Dragon Core, Cyber Pharaohs, Cyber Valley, Cyber Phoenix, Cyber Dark Horn, Cyber Dark Edge, Cyber Dark Q, Cyber Dark Cannon, Cyber Dark Claw, Ling Ling, Jiza Kiro, the Star Destroying Kaiju, Gizmek Orochi, the Serpentron Sky Slasher, Gale Dogra, that's a classic old card, Cyber Eternal, Cyber Repair Plant, Cyber Emergency, Cyber Load Fusion, Cyber Dark Impact, Cyber Inferno, Future Fusion, Fusion Tag, Machine Duplication, Limiter Removal, Cyber Dark Invasion, Cyber Dark Revolution, Power Wall, Call of the Haunted, Paleozoic Canadia, Cybernetic Overflow, Chimera Tech Over Dragon, Cyber Darkness Dragon, Cyber Dark Dragon. These are pretty cool. Power Bond, Overload Fusion. Now, I want to be able to, I always mention that I loved a lot of the old series. GX was always a favorite. I mean, these were always interesting cards to show, to watch. You know, and this card specifically, Cyber Dark End Dragon, wasn't even in the show. So I think it's pretty cool they combined them. But let me know what you think in the comments below. This is Dante of Dante's Card Dungeon saying see you later.